In this video, I will teach you the fundamentals of HTML and guide you through building your very first website. We're going to cover various aspects of HTML, such as structuring an HTML page, adding text and images, incorporating headings and text formatting, and also utilizing tables. By the end of this course, you will have the skills you need to independently create your own website using HTML. This tutorial is designed for absolute beginners, focusing on practical knowledge rather than overwhelming you with theoretical concepts. Instead of diving into the why behind HTML, we will primarily focus on the how of creating your first web page. The goal is to provide you with the necessary foundation so that you can venture further into the world of HTML. My name is Kike Lawali, and let's dive into it.